What is this called? Sofa. What is this called? Table. What is this called? Chair. What is this called? Bed. What is this called? Lamp. What is this called? Carpet. What is this called? Curtains. What is this called? Shelf. What is this called? Wardrobe. What is this called? Mirror. What is this called? Couch. What is this called? Bookshelf. What is this called? Television. What is this called? Coffee table. What is this called? Rug. What is this called? Chandelier. What is this called? Fireplace. What is this called? Painting. What is this called? Vase. What is this called? Desk. What is this called? Dresser. What is this called? Nightstand. What is this called? Picture frame. What is this called? Cushion. What is this called? Clock. What is this called? Ottoman. What is this called? Beanbag. What is this called? Throw blanket. What is this called? Footstool.